Are we on? 1, 2, 3, we on? I can always edit this. Are we on? All right, I'm doing a core test on a commercial roof. This is a commercial low slope roof. We're actually on top of a church in Mobile, Alabama. The top surface of this roof is a torch down modified bitumen roof with a granulated surface. And we're trying to determine if this roof panel right here has a slope built into the roof assembly or if the slope is built into the structural component of the roof. So I've got a core tool right here. It's got a 2-inch diameter hole and teeth, and all it's going to do is just dig into the roof. This is the manual way of doing this. There are other ways where you can do this. You can attach a drill bit to a drill. Whose phone is that? All right. So just gonna dig in until you feel something hard. All right. Takes a lot of forearm strength, which I'm equipped for, as you can tell, to get in there really good. And I think we got something hard. Something's tearing in there. Okay, what I'm about to spit out of this core sample tool is what's called a core cookie. There we go. That's a small piece of our core cookie there. Still digging. We got a lot of stuff going on here. Okay, still got more roofing to go. We've got a layer of torch down mod bit and then a couple plies of felt paper. That's just paper asphalt underneath the torch down. And I'm in the insulation right now. And I think I'm at the deck. There we go. Okay. I'm at the metal deck. Let's take a look at it and see what it. Come here, Jonathan. We got Jonathan Jackson behind the camera right now. That's what it looks like when you're done. I'm gonna blow it out. You can see the metal. So this roof has a metal deck, and we're gonna measure the depth of the roof assembly. We've got 1.5-inch ISO board, several layers of ply base or felt asphalt paper, and then a layer of torch down modified bitumen. And that's our roof assembly. That's how you do a quick core test on a commercial roof. This is Billy Guyette with Guyette Roofing.